Zuyan ni best ke? Petang ni aku berada di Zuyan di Star Hill Bukit Bintang. Guys, kat sini korang kena pakai according their tradition kostum Hanfu. Terus rasa macam emperor dengan empress. Sambil makan, kita dapat tengok live show berselang-seli. Show dia bukan kosong-kosong, dia bawa tema Harmony Among Nations. Macam mana Malaysia ni dari dulu boleh ada pelbagai budaya, kaum dan tradisi. Memang experience dia komplit. Food sedap, atmosfer cantik, entertainment pun ada. We are being served plate by plate according to the story that they are telling, and it's very, as the name says, immersive. So guys, it was very, they kata immersive tu memang immersive lah. You go through with all the storytelling and then they hidangkan all the plates one by one beautifully, and the food was very very good. You guys should come, spend even once. And the most memorable, aku suka sangat konsep dia tu sebab dia bawa harmony among nations. It's very good concept, it's very good spirit to uphold.